find it difficult to forgive Lindiwe after he caught her red-handed with Mnqobi in bed. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the river from the 4th to the 8th of April 2022 on Monday. Lindiwe is forced to face the music while corporate try to avoid what's coming to him on Tuesday. Lindiwe finally find out where she stands in Zweli's life on Wednesday. Dimpo is excited for the future while the Dikana family is divided over how Lindiwe should be treated on Thursday. Lindiwe lays her life bare before Zweli, and an old flame shocks Dimpo on Friday. Zweli has good news to share with his family, but there are conditions, while Dimpo has a surprise of her own. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.